we're going to talk about some surprising medicinal ways to use raw eggplant. Now, raw eggplant, while it is less commonly consumed in its raw form, have health benefits, and it can also be used medicinally in many ways. I'm going to talk about a couple of ways to use raw eggplant that have been traditionally used in our culture. Now, one of the best ways to use raw eggplant is to infuse it with water, cut it in cubes and infuse it in water overnight, and then strain and use that water for drinking water. Now, it can also be used for weight management. Raw eggplant is low in calories and it contains dietary fiber, making it a good addition to a weight management plan. And the fiber also promotes feelings of fullness and satiety. Also, it reduces overall calorie intake and aids in weight loss or weight maintenance efforts. It can also be used to help in promoting digestive health. Now, it does contain dietary fiber, which can be used to help with promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation. Now, you can also use the raw eggplant infused water, drink a cup or two a day for 3 to 4 days, and then you will need to do a whole new batch again. Another way to use it is for skin health. Now, the oxidants and the vitamins that are present in raw eggplant are known to help in benefiting the skin and promoting collagen production. Applying raw eggplant juice or pulp topically as a face mask is known to help in reducing inflammation, improving skin tone, and enhancing overall skin health. When you start using raw eggplant, whether that is internally or topically, you need to be aware that some individuals may be sensitive to certain compounds found in eggplants, whether they are raw or whether the eggplant is cooked, particularly a compound known as solanine, which can cause allergic reactions or digestive upset in some people. So if you are allergic to eggplants or the eggplant family, please avoid using eggplants in whatever form it is. Additionally, individuals with kidney stones or certain gastrointestinal conditions may need to limit their intake of raw eggplant because it contains oxalates. As always, it's always best to consult with your healthcare professional in order to find the best customized, individualized advice that is suited for you. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video.